Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to whatever this is, Untitled Thing. And today I got some uh, replacement parts for my Commodore 64. So hopefully it should work as intended. So here goes nothing. Let's go, boys. It's a little shaky, but like, I'll take it, man. This is good. Uh, yeah.
Now you can't pull up and check me. Nah, I get a fast seat. You feel a way, then can pull up and give me. Might do something wild if I feel like you pass me. Nah, I get a fast.
So I was attempting to load a type in program to show how um, how it works, but then I got a good example of why modern operating systems are still good and that this is just a fun hobby because I spent a half hour typing this program out, syntax error, and I can't do nothing, man. It it's like soft blocked almost. I'm gonna have to like uh, well anyway, I'd say this is a good update. Once I have the device that I can load stuff from an SD card, I will make another update. So until then, see ya.